Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial I will tell you how to fetch an image from the remote server, and here I am using a XAMPP server which is running currently on my desktop, and I will show you the image that I am using to fetch from the server. Here is my XAMPP folder and this is the root directory, and here is my image Android logo. I will fetch this image from the server to my Android application. Okay, so let's first check is it existing or not. Localhost / android logo.png. Yes, it is working. Okay, so now we have to move to Android Studio. You have to create a new Android project. Okay, after creating the project you have to open your Android manifest file, and here you have to add the permission to access the internet. Okay, so after adding it, close the manifest file and open your app gridle file. Here you have to add the dependency of Volley library so that you can able to access the all methods of the Volley. Okay, after adding it, close this interface. Now move on to the activity main.xml file. Here we want to fetch the image from the server, so we need an image view. Okay, and a button to fetch the image into the image view. So here I use layout width is match parent. Okay, and the layout height is 400 dp. So now move on to the main activity.java file. Okay, so first of all you have to create an instance of the request queue. You have to create a new Java file. So create a new Java file and name is at my singleton. Okay, after that here you have to write some code. First of all, public static my singleton at my instance to the public request queue is request queue. After that you have to add the public static context and context. Okay, so now you have to add a method public return type request queue and get request queue. Here you have to use the if method, and in which you have to write request queue is equal to null. Then the request queue is equal to volley dot new request queue, and here you have to pass the mcontext dot get application contacts and terminate it. And after that you have to return return a request queue. Sorry, here return request queue. Okay, so here we have to add a constructor of our class, that is public my singleton, and here we have to pass the context and start here. Now you have to set context is equal to context. Now request queue is equal to the method that we have used below, and terminate it. Here we have to use two more methods: public static synchronized, and the return type is my singleton, and get instance. Context. Context. Here you have to write if my instance is equal to null, then my instance is equal to new my singleton context. Okay, and here you have to return my instance. Okay, so now one more method you have to add: public void add to request queue request t. And the final line we have to write: request queue dot add request. Yes, now we have done. It is showing error. Oh, sorry. Yes, now this is done. Yes, we have completed this. Now we have to move on our main activity.java, and here we have to declare our variables that we have taken in our example file. Button, text view, sorry, we are taking here image view, so we have to take the image view. That's done, and we need a string of my URL from where we will fetch our image, and you know very well. And here I am using my IP address 168.163 and the slash and the image name. Terminate it. Now initialize all these things. View by ID. r.id.button and image view is equal to image view find view by ID r.id. What happening here? Image view. Okay, so now we have to set on. Please not on button. Okay, so here we have to fetch the image, so we will request an image request. Request is equal to new image request and my URL dot new listener. Okay, comma. Here we have to use two more arguments for width and height, and we will set height 0 and width 0. We are using 0 0 here because it will set the exact height and width of the particular picture. After that we have to add the scale type, center crop. Okay, and close it. Sorry, here we will have to one more argument. Now this okay. So now we have to work on our response listener. Here we have to set the image view dot set image bit and path response into it. Okay, after that we have to add a listener. Here we have to generate a toast dot make text cut application comma text. चुप हो जा यार. Error occurred and the length of the toast and show it. So here we have completed our coding, and now we have to pass that image request into the string, into the instance of request queue, that is my singleton dot get instance main activity dot this dot add to request queue and pass the image request into it. Now we have completed. Now we will execute it on the real device. Okay, sorry guys, I'm not good in English, so please manage. कयामत होगी, आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी। मेरी नजरें तो गिला करती हैं, तेरे दिल को भी सनम तुझसे शिकायत होगी। Oh my god, taking too much time. Run.
ओ मंदिर नहीं था हाँ वो कितनी जगह मंदिर में अच्छा
So these tutorials very seriously because these are the basic tutorials that you have to know. So for more tutorials please visit and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.